Select the default cube, and type X to delete. We need a UV sphere. Right-click and shade smooth to smooth the surface. Numpad 1, or backquote, and front, to go to the front viewport. Tab, to go to edit mode, and 3, to select faces. Numpad 3, or backquote, and side, to go to the side viewport. Let's select the front half of the faces. U, to project from view. Let's go to UV editing, and press this button to sync the UV. S, to scale, and G, to move. Let's export this UV layout file as PNG. Let's open the image in Krita and add a new layer like this. We need to fill the new layer with black. Let's hide that for now. Time to add a new text. "130. But for some reason that won't work here. I had to try entering 130 again to make that work. We need white text and black background, so Blender can recognize them. Let's save the image, and go to Blender. In shading, we need to add a new material. Shift-A, to add the image texture node, and the mix RGB node. Let's open the image we've just saved in Krita. The background color will change to any color we choose under Color 1, and Color 2 will be our text color. This is how we bring in any text image files, and use them to write letters or phrases on any mesh objects in Blender. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.